Hi everyone, it's AnnV87 and this is a video that I'm really excited to do. It is the first nature box for January and my second ever nature box. And I've got a couple of new things that I'm going to do that will hopefully not only save time but make me seem a little less disorganized. Last time, you never do it perfectly the first time around. Last time I was thinking, well, maybe it's something that it turns out I had put in my list of things that I wanted to get, but it's nowhere near this. I might get it like in the next box or something. Honestly, I'd ordered this stuff like 2 weeks ago, and I had no idea what I was getting. So this time, that's gonna drive me nuts. This screen's gonna dim out every like half a minute or two. Anyway, I had no memory of what I got last time. Well, now I have looked at what I'm getting, and I've put braille labels together. I don't know if you can see this. I have these pieces of paper, these 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper with these peel off labels that you can put on things, and maybe I should just do this part of the video first and then actually do the I've got these labels that I made out. I pre-labeled, basically, is what I did. Or I pre-made the labels. Now all I've got to do is figure out which label goes with which bag and put it on there. Secondly, I'm trying a new app for figuring out what's what here. I had tried the KNFB Reader last time. The KNFB Reader is not a bad app. I'm not gonna say that it is a bad app. I'm just saying that sometimes it works better than others, and in some situations it works better than others. And sometimes what you want to work, or sometimes what you want to do, just isn't done as efficiently with one app as it is with the other. And I was reminded last week about a different app that I don't use as often as I should. And I just, for the heck of it, tried a Nature Box snack bag. I said, let me open this app and see how well it tells me what this bag is from Nature Box. And it did it perfectly. I couldn't have asked for better. I mean, it didn't read the whole thing to me, but it told me what it is, and that's really what I wanted. So I'm thinking I'll probably start using that one as opposed to KNFB Reader when I do these unboxings from now on. Secondly, I went ahead and cut the tape. Well, didn't cut the tape off, but
Screen locked.
I got into the tape before I even started this, so that now it's just a matter of opening the box a lot easier. Sorry, I'm in case you can't tell, I'm at what I hope is the tail end of one of these nasty colds. I've been fighting it since Thursday. It's now Sunday night. It's one of these things that started in the depths of the chest, then kind of made its way out of my system. It started with the cough from you-know-where. That was an ugly-sounding cough. Anyway, it sounds a lot better now than it did before, believe me. Anyway, this really has turned into more of an intro video than anything else. I'm going to stop it at this point and see if I can just do this now with a better app and a what I think is maybe a better system in place for organizing things. Maybe I'll be able to do this in one video. Well, maybe I'll be able to, maybe you'll have a total of 2 videos to watch as opposed to 3 or 4, because I had to stop and make a new video every thing or two that I opened. This actually came in yesterday. I actually received it Saturday, but you know you're sick when you get your nature box in and you're like, oh cool, I'm glad it's here. Let me drop it on the table, I'll unbox it later. And go back to bed or just go vegetate. Yeah, that's when you're not feeling well. But like I said, hopefully I'm kind of at that spot where I know I'm not totally better, but I'm feeling a lot better than I was. So I'm going to go ahead and in the next video get into this stuff.